IC will be forced to take another action.
The police of Nongstoin Police Station have again summoned two leaders of the the Khasi Students' Union, KSU, including Wanbha Kupar Lingdo Nonglait, the organizing secretary of the KSU West Khasi Hills District Unit, and Pinbyang Baseamoit, the vice president of the KSU Ramrai Circle, in connection with a crackdown on illegal immigrants in various parts of the West Khasi Hills district. Speaking to the media, KSU leaders expressed that this incident clearly shows the bias of the authorities. Instead of arresting or punishing the contractors who break the law, they file complaints and summon KSU members. As activists, we aim to do something for the future of our community, and we are not deterred by legal repercussions, he said.
Penduduk Mensim, kawat ni labang penduduk Mensim ya ni kungki no alam yang sangki isu kisang halang kisamlag dan kejik bendera no markan di kalong no Australia. Mariangi kot saman ya ai case IFR terten yakini kontraktor kini ki nokta kimalik bukan rai noktri kibonabar mereka kum ka anyi te bi ba kini ki kontraktor kini ki malik kini ki trai bukan rai bender kini ban syakem ka anyi mar.
9 days after the Hennu Trep Youth Council